Welcome to Spanish for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sarah Thompson with Carlos Mendez. Today you'll learn useful Spanish for small emergencies, like waking up with a skin reaction after trying a market sunscreen and waiting for your landlord to reply, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad. Let's get started. Imagine this. You put on sunscreen you bought at a street market, and overnight your arm gets red and itchy. You message your host and they respond slowly. You need to explain the problem calmly, get a clinic recommendation, or buy a safer product quickly. What do you say in Spanish to solve it without panic? Today, 7 calm lines that work everywhere.
Quick promise, by the end of this episode, you'll know 7 neutral Spanish lines, hear slow pronunciations, get full English translations, and practice a short role play and a 5-minute drill to lock them in. These lines also tie into habits, skincare routines, documenting purchases for refunds, and quick communication strategies to protect your energy and appearance.
Hola, I'm Carlos. I'll help demonstrate natural responses and quick follow-ups so you sound calm and clear. Daily practice builds real confidence, and these phrases are neutral and widely understood across Spanish-speaking countries. Ready to learn the first 3 lines?
Necesito ayuda, por favor. Slow pronunciation. Necesito ayuda, por favor. Translation: I need help, please. Use this when you first walk into a clinic, pharmacy, or speak to a host. It's polite and direct.
Repeat with me. Necesito ayuda, por favor. Necesito ayuda, por favor. Good. Emphasize the por favor to keep things calm and friendly.
Tengo una erupción en la piel y me pica. Slow pronunciation. Tengo una erupción en la piel y me pica. I have a rash on my skin and it itches. Short, specific symptom description helps a receptionist or pharmacist triage you quickly.
Tengo una erupción en la piel y me pica. Tengo una erupción en la piel y me pica. If the rash is swollen or you have trouble breathing, stop and seek emergency help. But for typical redness and itching, this line opens the right conversation.
¿Qué me recomienda? ¿Debo ver a un médico? ¿Qué me recomienda? Debo ver a un médico. What do you recommend? Should I see a doctor? Use this to ask for next steps. It invites guidance and shows you're open to professional advice.
Try it. ¿Qué me recomienda? ¿Debo ver a un médico? Speak calmly. It signals respect and makes staff more likely to help quickly.
Now phrases for landlords, vendors, and deliveries. These are neutral, clear, and keep the conversation productive. There's a reaction on my skin after using a cream from the market. Can you help me?
My package or order didn't arrive. A product is missing. Can you check it and tell me if there's a refund? My package, pedido, no llegó, falta un product, puede verificarlo y decirme si hay reembolso. If you want to politely ask for a small discount when a product caused a reaction, try, ¿Me puede ofrecer un descuento? Tuve una reacción al producto.
Phrase 7. Polite escalation. ¿Conoce una clínica o alguien que hable inglés? Slow. Conoce una clínica o alguien que hable inglés. Translation. Do you know a clinic or someone who speaks English? This is your safe step if language starts to block clear care.
A quick tip, keep a photo of receipts and note the product name and where you bought it. That's an income-savvy move. It protects your money and makes refunds or claims faster. Also set a nightly skin check habit. If you try a new product, check your skin the next morning and document any changes.
Role play time. I'll be the nomad calling in. Carlos, you be the clinic receptionist. Use the lines naturally. Start when ready.
Bienvenido. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle?
Necesito ayuda, por favor. Tengo una erupción en la piel y me pica desde esta mañana. ¿Qué me recomienda?
Entiendo. Do you have trouble breathing or is your face swollen?
No, solo en el brazo. Usé una crema que compré en el mercado ayer. ¿Me recomienda venir ahora?
Yes, come at 10 and bring the box or a photo of the product.
Now, quick landlord roleplay. Carlos, you're the host. Hay una reacción en mi piel después de usar una crema del mercado. ¿Puede ayudarme?
I'm sorry. Do you want me to recommend a pharmacy or help with a refund?
Gracias. ¿También conoce una clínica que hable inglés?
Sí, le envío el contacto ahora. Tome fotos y guarde el recibo del producto.
Practice drill. 5 minutes. Find a mirror or your phone. Minute 1. Say phrase 1 and 2 out loud 3 times each, slowly. Minute 2. Say phrase 3 and 7 3 times each, asking and responding. Minute 3. Role swap. You pretend to be the receptionist and read back the question. Minute 4. Record one full short dialogue on your phone. Need help? Symptom? Recommendation. Minute 5. Listen back and note one improvement. If you can, do this with a friend and swap roles.
A few habit tips. Set a nightly reminder to check new products. Keep a small travel first aid kit and hypoallergenic lotion, and photograph receipts as soon as you buy. These habits protect your looks, energy, and wallet, and help you ask for refunds or discounts confidently.
Risks we flagged. These lines don't replace professional medical advice. If you have breathing trouble or severe swelling, seek emergency care immediately. When in doubt, ask, ¿Es esto una emergencia? Is this an emergency?
Grab the quick fix cheat sheet linked in the show notes. It has these 7 lines with spaced pronunciations, a checklist for receipts, and the short drill we just did. Join today's 30-day module inside the course to get guided daily practice and role-play feedback. Learn Spanish while upgrading your life. Small habits, big connections.
If one line helps you solve a small problem this week, that's progress. Post a short clip or note in the course community. Used phrase X. It worked. Daily practice builds real confidence, and we want to hear your wins.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Spanish, optimize yourself, and connect deeper. Learn Spanish, optimize yourself, connect deeper.